I am a man, not a myth. I am my own blacksmith. I live in the trenches, moving forward, inches by inches. I am self-made as far as getting my bills paid week to week. But not weak, because the weak stay for a week, and the strong stay for the long run. Time again to add arsenal to my gun. Nothing given, cold calling like a rapid villain. A frantic tunnel vision zone I am still grinding in. I am always dissatisfied, irritated, not complacent. My perseverance is authenticated, my consistency is consistent. I leash myself, no one leashes me. This is who I am, this is who I am meant to be. My focus is real, I try not to steal. The world is corrupt, I will fight until I go bust. I grind it through, win or lose. It is my will and vision I will use. I learn from my mistakes, stepping stones, my internal ladder, I will not be disgraced. I can be trusted if you are on my side. If you cross me, you will hear from my devil inside. Revenge is key. Tread carefully, or my wrath will supersede. Do not take what is given, accept nothing, and expect everything.